the RB30 Nitto 3.2 or Spool 3.4 stroker, PRP main brace. Have some runners coming up like this to like a collector, going into a V-band.
I can't wait to hear this
Ed
thing.
Would say it's gonna be sick.
I want to hear it. That's what I'm waiting on. That growl.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Brad?
Okay.
Good morning, Monday.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My man said morning.
Monday morning.
Monday morning. Everyone's all chipper.
Yeah, who we missing though?
We're missing Ed. He's on
We're not
vacation.
missing anybody, right?
Ooh, bird.
I love you, Ed.
Consignment car, everybody. We did not put the price on this, so don't give us a hard time. My man wanted it at that price. I'm begging him to drop the price so we can actually move the thing. So, I mean, it's at like $44.9.
Yeah, it's a little crazy.
Yeah, it's a little high. So I'm gonna try and talk him into $39.9. So once you see it at that price, jump on it, cause someone else will. Josh, what's going on with this?
I need to put the cams in it and shim it so I can get that going, and then I can put the fan back on.
All right, so cams.
I was working on the oil pump. That's the one I was having a little tightness fit.
This is Hunter's.
Yeah.
We still need to paint up all this stuff too, for the engine.
Yeah.
We gotta paint
This
up
is
a
all
bunch of
Hunter
shit.
stuff.
Yeah, everything for the engine.
I spread it out because I was looking for stuff.
That's what I figured it was for.
That's not a problem. You guys are figuring out a miss.
I already fixed it this morning.
Huh. Okay. When in doubt, ground it out.
I've heard that before. Could have swore you said that.
Well, I've said when in doubt, throw it out.
Oh.
Like if you got a bunch of shit and you're going through it and you're not sure if you need to keep it or not,
Yeah.
you're done. Take it and throw it in the bin, as they say in the UK.
In the bin.
Having any kind of issue, like an electrical issue with your car, check your grounds. Like the first thing. I'm not kidding. Am I right? Am I right? Huh?
When I swapped the motor in the G,
Yeah.
first time I went to start it over, it did nothing. And I was like, what is going on? Had power, had everything hooked up. I was missing a ground strap that went from the motor to the chassis.
This would be awesome though. I'm sure he'd be happy to see this painted too. Again.
So what we got going on here?
Oh, this is for my car. Fall off again.
I was gonna say we don't have any G's.
Falling off.
What are you trying to like glue some tabs on there or something?
This CJ took it off of one of his parts cars for me.
Oh,
Because
okay.
mine's like ripped from here now all the way down after I repaired it, and so it's like
I was
running
walking
into
out
the
of the
front
other
tire,
building.
eating it up on the side.
That was from before. I don't
But
know.
that's
hell of a
better than
rock.
what I got on there right now.
It's probably somebody's
Baseball.
trailer hitch or something.
Trailer hitch.
Could be.
So you can take the wheels and tires, put them on that, and then take these wheels and tires, put them on this.
So you got them set up for VIR for the day.
Just gonna come here and drive it. So.
That would be a good idea though. If we could ever get it in with VIR.
Oh, you could
Be like,
in
hey,
if
I
you
got a
want
guy
to rent the
coming out
track.
who wants to test drive this car before we build
It's
it.
like 10 grand a day.
That would be
I'm
cool.
not kidding.
That's ridiculous.
Be like, hey man, we'll fly you out. We'll go down to VIR. You can drive the car all day.
This car is sold, so we're good there.
Yeah.
We got to redo the whole thing anyway.
We have to do custom. He might not even do any paint.
Why?
He's gonna leave it patinaed.
What?
Sleeper.
No shit.
Sleeper. For
I'm
that
not
reason,
kidding.
okay.
He's got brand new wheels, brand new engine, interior, all that.
Like, fuck it, I don't care how the car looks.
And he's not really worried about the way it looks. He just wants it to operate.
You go, girl.
He's probably gonna send it, so it doesn't really matter.
That's
you know
the
what I
thing. He
mean?
said he's gonna drive the hell out of it.
So whatever.
like,
I can respect that.
Cool.
We have a special mail time today. I don't know what it is. Chris doesn't know what it is. Looks like a drum. We don't know. Can't be a wheel.
Oh, that thing. Yeah.
That thing. What do you got here?
This
Spike guard jump
All straight.
lids.
No, this is not.
Yeah. What is that?
This is a hose kit that we're gonna use on Brad's car.
Wow. Ah.
So it's AN lines with like nice AN lines coming out of the firewall.
Yeah, that's pretty legit.
And then we'll have AN lines.
Get rid of those plastic ones.
Gets rid of all the plastic.
I like that. I've never
Yeah.
seen those. That's
Well-
something I would want to do. That's actually pretty cool.
It's not gonna break either.
And it's better than using those stupid clamps to clamp it off. You can just screw it on there and
Yeah,
you know it's
this
secure.
is like,
It's not gonna leak, right?
it's official, man.
Cool.
For the heater core, so you're not running some cheesy lines, man.
That's Russian, right? Yep.
And it did come from Russia.
Ooh. What? Never seen these before. Does he want deep set of these
Yeah,
too?
so
That would be sick.
really deep dish. And this is the color, I mean that bronze color that he wants.
I like that. Guys, right now the guys are spraying the engine bay on Hunter's car. And that seems to be going pretty well. He's going with, what is this, like a satin black or
Yeah.
satin black?
Called Hot Rod Black.
Hot rod black.
Yeah.
So they, of course, did the prime first, cleaned it up, sanded it down, smoothed it out, spraying the satin black. I'm gonna have some cinematic footage, so I'm gonna insert that probably somewhere in here somewhere. So yeah, check that out.
Peoples, we got Brad here.
Brad.
He's doing a build, the RB30 Nitto 3.2 or Spool 3.4 stroker, PRP main brace, ARP main studs, head studs, Nitto oil pump, maybe. We're gonna do a little research and get the best oil pump we can find. Full head work, we're gonna do oversized valves, springs, retainers, port, potlish, the whole 9 yards with that. Cams, Tomei, HKS. We're not sure exactly yet how big we're gonna go with. We're gonna try to make sure that it matches with the size of the turbo we're going with. We're definitely going with precision turbo though. So we're gonna go precision turbo, dual ball bearing, big intercooler, radiator. We're gonna make sure it has the best cooling.
R34 6-speed.
R34 6-speed. The garage active wide body. I mean, we've already talked about it on here, but this is the man right here
Doing
that's
it.
getting it.
The big boy.
You're gonna be seeing this car in the vlog for probably like
Yeah, for
6
a
months.
while.
I'm not gonna
So,
hate it either. I'm gonna love it.
We're just trying to go over everything that we're doing with the build. I mean, he flew in for the day so that we can go over everything. So we're just talking about getting the PRP dual bracket here. It goes here, and one's for the CAS, and one's going to be for a fuel pump, a mechanical fuel pump, because for the horsepower level we're going with, it's just the better option.
Oh, and the Hypertune intake.
Hypertune intake, okay, which is just awesome.
And Josh is gonna make some crazy, crazy manifold.
Turbo manifold.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna come off
Nice.
of here. We're gonna have a turbo more towards the front here, and we're gonna have some runners coming up like this to like a collector, going into a V-band, into the turbo. It's gonna be.
I can't wait to hear
as
this
Ed
thing.
would say, it's gonna be sick.
I want to hear it. That's what I'm waiting on. That growl.
It's
yeah.
gonna
Are you
be-
ready, Brad?
Oh, man, it's
this
gonna-
this is gonna sound nuts.
It came out. We finalized the paperwork on his car that he's bought for this R32 GTR. We just went for a drive in it. He wanted to drive it kind of the way it came in from Japan, and then he'll drive it again with about 3 to 4 times the power, double the amount of rubber hitting the ground. So it's gonna be awesome, really. Yeah.
This is sold.
We sold the Joy Pop.
Thank God. Holy crap. No more posts on that thing.
I know. So this is Brad's beauty. It's a little dirty now because it was raining. We took it out for a drive and everything, but
Some dude in a Mustang pulled up next to me and got super disappointed when I was like,
the clutch in it is difficult to drive. But really good car. I mean, it's solid all the way around. It's not rusty at all, man. Like, even the bolts and stuff aren't rusty on this car.
and the metallic flake is just next level.
Yeah. I mean,
that
this
was nice
is
too.
a 732 black. It's a Nissan stock color right here.
And also these seats, like I'm a big dude, I'm like 6'4", and me and Chris were sitting in the seats like, they're not made for.
They're a little tight. We're gonna need to make sure
Yeah.
the grids are gonna be big enough.
Yeah, big dude approved.
And then we'll need to work on the steering wheel and stuff, and the quick disconnect. I thought the one that was pretty cool. Remember the one on the orange FD? It just flipped up. You don't take the wheel off.
Really?
I thought that was the blue one.
Switch.
That was the blue one. Because remember in the video, I had it in the.
Was it the blue one?
And
Okay,
he flipped it up when I went through the window.
The light blue one with the white Record Masters.
Yeah, it was that one.
Pretty standard what we got going on right now, but we're gonna redo everything, of course. Like I said, we were talking about the center cover. I'm thinking take this off right here. We can have that vent. This is not gonna be there anymore, so we can shave that off and just make that solid and just still have this same nice design. And then we're gonna have our AN fittings coming out of here, and we'll have a catch can either over in this area or over where the battery was. I wish we could get rid of this.
The
windshield wipers. Is there any way we can like hide that somehow?
We could just
or
get
something?
that string.
Yeah. Whoever's riding with you does this, and
I just have Rain X
it would
always.
just be cool if we can figure out something to make that look better somehow, some way. Even if we make like a cover.
They have a cover, I thought.
Yeah, I mean
it's just a black plastic cover.
That's worse than just.
So if you're gonna put the catch can there, you could just
put the catch can here maybe, and then it just has an extra piece that comes out and like kind of covers that.
Cool. What about your lights? Are you changing the lights up at all?
Yeah, we're gonna do the N1s.
Nice.
And I don't know if you guys saw on the white GTR, they custom built a cool little.
The vent mod.
Yeah.
You getting that?
Sick. And obviously those tail lights. You gotta have those tail lights.
too. My man, heck yeah.
I heard there's a Zelda mod. You know, I gotta.
Thank God, those are so awesome. Those
Yeah,
are
I
my
mean,
favorite.
I saw them and literally I texted Chris. I was like,
I need that.
for sure, those taillights are going on the bill. And just so you guys know, I originally was just gonna like buy a car, but this was like 6 months of Chris and I talking, and kind of what I wanted to get out of this, and kind of what they wanted to do with it. And me and Chris have been. I gotta give it to Chris. I didn't give him any money for like 6 months, and he talked to me seriously like every day. It'd be like 11 o'clock at night, and I'm in Utah, 2 hours behind this guy.
Oh wow.
And I just get a text. What do you think about the garage active wide body? like funny you ask. I was going to talk to you about that on Monday.
That's cool. I'm glad you didn't just buy a car.
Honestly,
like, what were you gonna buy? What did you plan on even buying?
So
okay.
Honestly, like I'm a huge fan of the vlog. I love the vlog. There's a lot of good importers. Like Top Rank is a lot closer than where I am. So my initial plan was just to send Top Rank some money, fly down there, and drive it home. And if I hadn't have seen you guys' vlog, I honestly would be just driving whatever the coolest Top Rank car was. But I'm so glad because
you're getting so much more right now.
Yeah,
man.
and this is honestly this is a dream for me. I've always wanted to have a car, and you can tell by the cars that are built here, and you know, just the folks that work here. This is something that everybody here loves to do. This is not something that everybody's here to get rich off of. This is a passion for everybody here, and that's why I'm here. Otherwise, you know, I would have spent significantly less money driving a stock car from California. So I tell Chris every day, thank you. So thank you to you and everybody here at Driver Motorsports.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Appreciate it.